Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings and go to System and then Troubleshooters. Select Other Troubleshooters. Select Windows Update. Click Run. This troubleshooter might take some time to complete the operation. The troubleshooter will perform a series of checks and diagnostic tests to identify the root cause of the issue. It may check for problems with the Windows Update service, examine the state of Windows files and components, and verify network connectivity. When the troubleshooter is finished running, it's a good idea to restart your device. Method 2. Perform System File Checker Tools. Open Command Prompt and select Run as administrator. Type or paste the command below and click Enter. I will give all the link in the description. Command 2. DISM Online Cleanup Image ScanHealth. You will get the command operation completed successfully for each command you run. Command 3. DISM Online Cleanup Image RestoreHealth. Each operation takes 10 to 15 minutes, depending upon the corrupted Windows Update files. Command 4. SFC scannow. System File Checker is a utility in Windows that checks for problems with files on your computer. Method 3. Restart Windows Update Services. Open Services. From the Start menu, find Windows Update in the lists. Right-click the service and click Restart. Restarting the Windows Update service can help resolve certain issues related to Windows Update, such as when updates fail to install or when the service becomes unresponsive. When you restart the Windows Update service, any ongoing update process will be stopped, and the service will be restarted with a fresh configuration. This may cause any pending updates to be re-downloaded and reinstalled, which could potentially take some time. Hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.